just got another lot in today, charity lot, charity auction lot. So let's see what's inside. So vintage pocket watch I received today. Let's cut it off. Give us a second. Let's cut it off. Just make sure I don't damage it. Okay. Let's go through one by one. So today we're gonna learn 1900 to 1920, where the pocket watch is. So these are the pocket watch. That is with him. That's a USA one. Okay, let's wind it up. Let's see whether it still works. Excellent. It's still ticking. That's a USA pocket watch. Looks very nice in there. This one. And what else? Let's look at that one. There's an Omega. Oh, can't, doesn't wind up. So obviously something's wrong with it. We'll learn next time the inside of the movement of a pocket watch. There's Omega. There's another Omega. Once again, you see I wind up. So we need to look inside. Next time we look inside what's inside the movement of that one. There's another pocket watch. Another Omega pocket watch. This is just yeah, this is, I don't know, we should make probably Swiss, but this is a sort of a pink gold, raw gold. They call it raw gold. Raw gold means they took two thin sheet of gold and sandwich it in between the stainless steel or nickel. They sandwich together. Okay, to adjust the time, you pull up and adjust the time. Oh, there's no second hand. This one they drop out second hand, but you can wind. Unfortunately, you can hear the ticking sound, but that's it. That's a full cover one. So open it, you press this button and the case will open. So once again, missing second hand, but this is a full enclosed case pocket watch. So usually they have a change in the old cowboys movie. You can see that people have this in the change in their pocket, and that's where the jeans pocket come in too. The jeans, you got size small pocket. That's where it goes to. This pocket watch goes into there. That's another full case again. This one got a missing what you call that, missing glass, but you can see that it's sticking. The movement is going well. So the movement is going, so that's good. Missing crystal. So once again, to adjust the time, you pull out. Oh, see this case. Can I just even I pull it up, so that need to be fixed inside. We'll show you one by one how to get it fixed. And there's another one again, a full case again. This one missed the whole bezel. See that? The bezel to hold the ring that holds the dial down, where the what you call that, the crystal. So I'll show you the separate one. You see this one? See, there's a bezel that holds the glass together. That's missing on that one. Okay. Those are 1900, 1910, 1900 to 1920. That's where the pocket watch is. There's another one again. Let's wind up. Let's see if it can wind up. Oh, and the second hand is moving. So that's good. Now to test. This is a unique one. To adjust the hand, you can't pull on this one. There's a button here. When you pull it, you push it down. My eyes is not that. This, yeah, you gotta push it down. Yeah. So I don't. Yeah, my eyes is no good. So pretty much you got to push it down and then you can adjust the hand. In this case you can. So I got to fix that. That's what happened when you get charity auction watch. So this is another Omega. Looks like it's winding up. Second hand is moving. And this is what you call it. It's not silver or stainless steel or nickel. It is gunmetal, and you can see that it's rust. So you know all the rifle metal is made of the same one. Yeah, so it's gunmetal. So it's gunmetal Omega, and this is a minute repeater, but you see everything's missing. You're even missing the ring, ring to hold the chain. There's another full case one. I got crystal, got everything. Let's wind it. Oh, looks like it can wind. Let's check whether the second hand is moving or not. Just wind this out a bit. No good. The second hand is not turning. So that's another one. This is another open face. You call it open face, but you see you can't wind it. So something is. But you can hear the broken mainspring. You see I can wind up and you can hear clicks now. Let's put it closer. Hear it? Uh-huh. So that's open face. There's another. This is a silver one, right? It's really nice, good condition. Usually silver one that holds well, right? And then it's wind by a key, so you can see that. Would open this up, press this, press it down. Anyway, it's hot. So you open it here, and you can see that there's the key will wind it, and also to adjust the time. And usually there's hallmark in terms of silver. There's a hallmark there, and you can tell using the hallmark. You can see how which year it's been made. Okay, so there's a silver case one. There's another silver case again. So just again, you can see all the marking. There's all marking, very nice marking in there. Once again, I need the key. The find key is a silver hallmark again. You can silver hallmark, British hallmark, silver. And yep, that conclude all the pocket watch that I got from the auction lot. Like I say, this auction lot obviously not. You'll be lucky to get some perfect one, but usually there's something that you need to have it fixed. But anyway, overall, it's just to hope you guys learn something. Once again, full case, open face, all right, roll gold, which is or some can be solid 9 karat gold or 18 karat. It can be in stainless steel or nickel. Inside, it will show the case, what's in there. Silver wind up. These are usually the 1900. The keys, when your keys are usually the 1900s. And then finally, gunmetal. All right, these are the material that they use to make watches or pocket watches in the early days. Hope you guys learned something and you enjoyed the video. Thanks, thank you very much, and see you next time. See ya.